So we have right here a piece of petrified wood that has been covered with some kind of lacquer. So we're going to clean this off. Alright, I have the garage door open. I'm going to put on my mask. And then I'm going to run this belt dry for a bit.
Wish that I could stay. 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 Wish for this moment to never go away, but it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light. Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away, but it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light. Streets all alone, and all you can see, thinking about what your life came to be. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
Okay, after some sanding and some polishing and some cleaning, this is the result. Really gorgeous piece of petrified wood. Even has some agate in there. But that's the finish. It's a really nice piece of wood. Alright, time for you to find a home, little buddy. Wrap you up later. That piece turned out much better than I had expected to. I had no idea that that surface was hiding underneath that layer of whatever clear coat or lacquer that was. It turned out beautifully, and I really hope that the new owner will appreciate this stone for many, many years to come. So that's going to do it for today. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Rock on.